and welcome to my new video. I will show you today how to replace the LCD screen and touch panel on your Sony Xperia E5. If you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description link. This will also support my channel. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe. At first we have to heat up the back panel. I heat it up for maybe like 1 to 2 minutes with 190 degrees and with a safe distance. You can use your fingernails or a plastic tool to make a gap, and then you just remove the back panel. It's made from plastic, so it's easier than glass. So now we are going to remove the battery. At first we will use this metal tool, and yes, you have to lift up this metal piece with the NFC. Okay, disconnect the battery, don't forget to disconnect, and then yes, you need this tool. You push it inside, don't push it too hard because you can damage the battery. I'm using as well some plastic tool. And let's do the same again on the other side. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to remove the motherboard. At first I have to unscrew the screws. As you see, I'm lifting this metal tape from Cooper because there is one screw on it. So now I'm going to remove this antenna, plastic piece here. Don't forget to disconnect the antenna as well. Okay, I'm removing the SIM cards, memory card, all trays. Let's disconnect all flat cables here, the screen and the charging port cable and everything else. So now we have to lift the motherboard a bit. There is, see, okay, pretty easy. Have to be careful because there is a plastic thing holding it. Now we have to heat up the display. I'm heating about 190 degrees for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm using a plastic cart and a tool just to make a gap between. I just lift it up a little bit, then put a cart inside and just go around, because the glue is not that strong here. So at first I will just connect the new screen just to see if it's working without issues. So I'm just basically connecting this flat cable to the motherboard here, just carefully. Okay, let's insert the battery, connect it. So as you see, my battery is empty, so we have to charge it now for a bit. Maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or depends how empty your battery is. Okay, the phone is booting. Let's see, we have a picture, everything is working. Okay, that's it, we can turn it off. So we will have to clean the frame now. We have to remove all the old adhesive glue for better holding of the new glue. Okay, and now we put the E8000 glue around the corners and around the frame, everywhere. I almost use this glue all the time because it's pretty liquid. It's not that it's easy to bring it on the frame, and yeah, it holds very good, and you don't need to be so fast like with the E6000. So yeah. Okay, let's insert the cable inside the frame, and now press the screen to the frame, align it, press it everywhere around. Now I'm using these clips to hold the screen inside the frame and place it everywhere around, and then I will leave this for about, let's say, at least 30 minutes but for better holding maybe you leave it for 1 hour to 2 hours, depend how much time you have. Okay, after an hour I remove the clips. The screen is tight, and now let's assemble the screen. I mean the phone. As you will see now, I forgot to put this small piece of paper where is the EMA number, so I will have to remove the motherboard again. You will just see in a sec. Okay, so now I put this paper here, okay, back in place, and then assemble the phone. Okay, carefully place the motherboard back in the frame. Connect all the flex cables. And now we place the battery back. I was just correcting some glue underneath. Okay, press it inside the frame, be sure it's even. Don't forget to connect the antenna. And the upper antenna, we put it back in place. And then we will screw it together. I'm just making here some basic corrections to the old adhesive glue. Okay, let's put the battery cover back. Press it hard. In every corner it has to do the click click sound. Put back the SIM card and the memory card in place, and then you are good to go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions you can comment below and I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. And if you want to donate, there is also a link in my video description. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.